Welcome to Foxtecc. If you need to share your iPad screen for a YouTube video, there's a built-in way to do it, and I'll walk you through the process. Let's get started. The easiest way to record your screen is by using screen recording, which is already built into the iPad. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner, then tap the screen recording button. This will start capturing everything on your screen. Whether you're showing a game, drawing, teaching something, or doing anything else you want to include in your YouTube video. Once you're done, the video will be saved in the Photos app where you can review or edit it before uploading. If you don't see the screen recording button in Control Center, you need to add it first. To do this, hold down on the toggles in Control Center, then tap Add New Controls and select Screen Recording. This will make it easy to access whenever you need it. If you want to record your voice while sharing your screen, there's a simple trick for that. Before starting the screen recording, hold down the screen recording button in Control Center and turn on the microphone. This lets you talk over the video while recording, which is perfect for tutorials or commentary. For live streaming, open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon, and select Go Live. From there, enable screen sharing so your audience can see what's happening on your iPad in real time. This is great for streaming gameplay, presentations, or interactive content. If you need more advanced streaming options, you can use third-party apps like Streamlabs or MobCrush. These apps give you additional features like overlays, custom layouts, and better control over your live stream. They're especially useful if you want a more professional setup for streaming your iPad screen to YouTube or other platforms. That's it. Now you know how to share your iPad screen for YouTube videos, whether you're recording or live streaming. Let me know in the comments which method you're using. And if this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more. See you later.